the football shirts that the people wear now, a lot of them have crosses. England, for example, the flag has a cross on it. Barcelona shirt, I think, has a cross on it. Manchester United has red devil. Has a red devil on it. What does the Sharia say about wearing crosses and these kind of things?
Shahid, you know what? It's really sad. It's that the cross is there, which is a religious symbol. On top of that, it's a country that colonized Muslim countries, gave Palestine to the Zionists. Yani, you're representing them, you're supporting them. And Shahid, wallahi, I don't think Muslims are unaware of all of this, Shahid. They know the ruling of this and they know the ruling of that.
And I think that is obviously an important point, but more than that, these flags, you're wearing a cross, that's a religious symbol that you're wearing on your shirt. You're wearing a red devil, shaitan, you're wearing a red devil. How anyone can really think about this and think that it's okay. So I just wanted to mention the point about the football shirts. And plus, most of them have the names of non-Muslims on the back. You know that, right? They have like Messi's name on their back or whatever. Okay.
Taking him to the masjid.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
My heart dropped when I saw these people in the Kaaba.
He physically
can't come to the Kaaba, but his name is in the Kaaba.